What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Jet, and today I'm going to show you how you can create digital stickers using Keynote for your digital planners. So for those of you who have no idea what a digital planner is, it's the same as the old school planner except you're doing it on a digital device. Digital planners are PDFs or JPEG files that are saved on a note-taking app like GoodNotes or Zodo or Noteshelf or whatever note-taking apps that you have on your device. And you can use it on any tablet that has the ability to write on, like iPad Pro or Apple with pencil combination. We are in a digital age already, and most people find it way easier to carry their device around than a bulky paper planner. And with digital planning or digital planners, you can reuse everything over and over again. The elements, the stickers, the covers, etc. So get on your Keynote ready and let's start creating and designing. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get more videos like this. And also, if you appreciate this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your friends on social media or anywhere. And I truly appreciate what you're doing. Thank you very much. So let's get on with it. So I would assume that most of you know a little about Keynote already. So just go ahead and open a new file on Keynote and just do the basic white. It's okay. We don't need to specify the document size for this one. And what we're gonna do today is create these stickers, the mermaid theme stickers. And these stickers are already in my shop, so if you want it, the link is in the description. And I will show you how you can create your very own sticker using your own background as well. So go ahead and clear all the placeholders in your document. So the first thing that you're gonna do, for example, we're trying to create this circle. So all we have to do in this sticker tutorial is just use the shape, and everything here you can use. So for example, with that circle, just click on circle, and let's resize this so you'll see it better. So once this is highlighted, you go to style and fill. Instead of color fill, choose image fill and choose whatever background that you like. So I already have that, and there you have it. So actually you can also choose if it's for original size, or you can stretch it, or you can style it, or scale to fit and scale to fill. So mine here is scale to fill, and it fills everything in this one. So that's the circle. So let's try another shape. For example, this call out. Like this, and go again to fill, image fill, and then choose your background. And go ahead and choose another. This one. Shape. And you can also manipulate the sides however curved you want it to be by clicking on this. Let me show it to you. Clicking on this green dot over here, see, it changes the size of the curve of the rectangle or the square. There you go. All right. Now highlight that one, and you can change the opacity here, or you can also change the color to whatever color you want. For example, like this, I want it lighter, but still can see the background. There you go. I think that's better. Or maybe there. And opacity, somewhere there. All right. Then just group this one, because we're going to save this later as PNG. So let's do this. So basically, all you have to do is to use all different shapes here. For example, let's see, for this luggage. See this one, go to fill and image fill. There you go. You don't have to do anything special actually, and you can resize this to however big or small you want it to be, but it doesn't really matter because once we save this as PNG, you can resize it in your digital planner to however small or big you want it to be. So that's it. And for this one, let's try this one. So actually this one's got a dotted stroke here, or border, and then we have the lines and some graphic design or icon or images. So let's go back to this. And what you're going to do is just use the basic shape. I like using this one, but you can use whatever shape that you like, and then maybe just a little curved. Now go to fill and then image fill again. Now you can also copy this instead of going back here and then choose another shape. You can copy this one. It's Command C or Control C, or you can hold the Alt key and then just drag it like so. And instead of image fill, you will choose color fill. And then just change the color to whatever color that suits you. Or maybe that's good enough. And then resize it. This. Alright. And for the border, let's do a line. And change our line to dotted. Maybe bigger size so you can see it better. And you can also change the color here if you want white or gray or whatever. There you have it. And just group this one. And if you resize it, it resizes everything. So it's easier if you group it. There you go. So what else can we do? So everything here, the icons here, you can find in shapes. So it's really easy to create stickers here in Keynote. So next thing is base text. Alright, so what you're going to do is go to text, just click that one, and write your text. For example, weekend. Okay, let's change the size to, let's say, 200 so you'll see better. And you can also change the font here right now, or you can change it later. So for example, this, let's see, 400. Okay, let's do this. So for text, it's a bit different. You have to go to text, and instead of text color, choose image fill. There you go. And then just choose whatever background that you want. For this one, I already have this here. And even if you resize this, it doesn't affect the background. So there you go. So for example, we want to save this one as PNG. Unfortunately, in Keynote, there's this option over here that says if you export it, it says PNG. Then the Keynote's PNG format doesn't have a transparent background. It's still white. So what you can do is just click on this and then hit Command C or Control C to copy it to clipboard. And then if you're on Mac, just go to your preview. Just hit preview and then hit Command N or Control N, or you can go to File and New from clipboard. There you go. So as you can see, it's got transparent background. So from here, you can go to File and then Export. And then just, let's say, call out one and save it as PNG. Oh, don't forget to save it as PNG, okay? I forgot to show it to you. That's it here. The format must be PNG. Alright. So if you go to your digital planner, this is the digital planner that I already have the cover that I already did also with the mermaid theme. So here you can use the add or the plus icon from your tab or iPad Pro or whatever tablet that you have. And if you're in Keynote in your laptop or desktop, all you need to do is go to Media and then choose the callout that you need. And then click Insert. There you go. So from here, you can actually resize it to the size that you want. And it's transparent background. So you don't have to worry about it because it's PNG. And so that's it. That's actually all you have to do in Keynote. So for this background or cover, You can also find it in my shop. I have it there already. So let's go back to our stickers. So yeah, so all you have to do is utilize all these shapes here in Keynote, and that's all there is. It just change, either you can change the color, or if you don't have any background, just change the background. For example, this one, you can go to style, and then it's either image fill or gradient fill or color fill. Just choose whatever you want here. So I'm just showing you the mermaid themed, how to use the image fill. And that's it. And that's it for today. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And so now you know how to personalize your stickers to match your digital planners. And again, if you like this mermaid themed stickers and cover, just head on to my shop. I have the link down below in the description. And if you appreciate that I make these videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and it will help my channel grow. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.